Saya butuh sedikit bantuan dengan PR saya. I need some help with my homework. I need some help with my homework. Bolehkah saya minta air? Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please? Beberapa orang suka membaca buku, yang lain lebih suka menonton film. Some people like to read books, others prefer movies. Some people like to read books, others prefer movies. Dia membeli beberapa buah dari pasar. She bought some fruit from the market. She bought some fruits from the market. Saya menghabiskan beberapa waktu untuk membersihkan kamar saya. I spent some time cleaning my room. I spent some time cleaning my room.